We're heading the early modern two-wheel drive, so that's good.
Don't tell them that we're the only ones in modern two.
We are ahead of some all-wheel drives, so we're going okay.
They are getting their finishes medallions. Here they are getting their finished medallion, please. It's slightly less shape than what it was in at the start, but here they are. And they made it. And I don't even think Dirk's in the car. But the rules say you just have to cross that final control. And as you saw, the truck was right outside the final control. Someone give him a medallion, give him a round of applause. He's run here. Here we go. Megan will give you a medallion.
Oh, thank you.
Only Bo Williams could put her off when it really mattered. We love him, we see him everywhere. He's a bit of an institution for us, it's fair to say. Dirk Witteveen the same. Cracking blokes, these guys. Please welcome to the stage your winners in their BMW M3, Bo Williams and Dirk Witteveen.
We kind of got our wires crossed. I think I called the corner and Bo might have thought it was a bit less slippery than it was, and we slipped off the corner and just hit the bank ever so slightly, but it just put us out. It was enough that we couldn't get it out and get back on, so we went into the bus of shame.
But mate, we got here. Didn't expect to get that.
So advice from good friends on how to get here and what to do to get across the line, and we're here. And we had the best tow truck driver under the sun, and he's over there to our left, or my left, waiting over there, and he's just going to get a little medal for his efforts. He's a bloody top bloke, so thank you.
Without you, we seriously wouldn't have been here.
Oh, thank you so much, man.
And you are a legend, mate. You really are.
Thank you very much.
This is my third Targa, and it's nice to be on the podium. To win it, really happy. So thanks, guys.
There you have it. The third edition of TARGA Great Barrier Reef.